Hey guys, welcome to Weber's channel, and for today's vlog I am going to teach you on how to make a DIY project. So what's that thing called? It's called Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is we have to bring out our container or any jar that you want to use, or like a mason jar. Yeah, like what I said, any type of jar. So that's the first step. So the second step is you have to pour the hot water to your mason jar or container. To generalize it, let's use the term container. So that don't fill the whole container yet. You have to put another stuff first before like completing or filling it up. So the next step is to put the glitter jar in the container with hot water. So let's open this first. So let's pour it now. Oh gosh, something's wrong. Oh gosh, why? Oh, that blasted! I'm so sorry. What is happening to you? This is so annoying and frustrating. Oh gosh. Nothing's happening. Why?
I don't want to give up, my friends.
This is so frustrating. I don't...
Oh! Children, do not listen to that.
This is not suitable, no, for kids ages. I give up already. Let's just go with this one. Okay, so I sincerely apologize for what happened earlier, but let's move on and let's continue to the next step. So the fourth step. Am I right? The fourth step. Okay, so the fourth step is to get a stick or a steering thing. Basically a thing that you can use in order to steer. Let's steer. Let's use it and steer this. Let's get the poster color. So with this one, you can also use a food coloring or any other type of coloring, but it's much better if we had food coloring because it mixes rapidly to the water. But unfortunately, I didn't have time to look for it different stores, so I'm gonna settle with this. So let's add it to our water just a little bit so that it won't be very dark to look at. So see that? That looks amazing, right? So yeah. Now we're almost at the end of all these. Like, it's just so easy, guys, to make, and it's very nice also. So the last but definitely the greatest step of all is to add the glitters. or the extra fine glitter, because this is the best part. Oh, I'm sorry. This will like make the whole thing fantastic. So now let's add it. Ooh, you can see that. Do you see that? Do you see that? Ako ni fast forward. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And that's it for our calming glitter jars.